Alright, so our rubber strap kit consists of 4 high-quality butyl rubber straps, as well as 4 6mm shouldered bolts. These are similar to a fort guard bolt on a KTM or Husqvarna. And coming up shortly, we'll show you how to install these things. Okay, so to begin, what you're going to do is, for this purpose on the video, to show you a little bit better visual, we've removed the outside radiator shroud. You have 3 holes on the frame side of the guard that are drilled and tapped. You can use all 3, just 2, whatever you want to do. They're really there for different tension level. You just take the bolt, start them. This one we're going to start in the center hole, hand tighten, and then we're going to do the top hole. The only tool needed for this install is just an 8mm socket or an 8mm T-handle, just to get on the head to tighten it down. You don't need to torque them or anything like that. You just need to snug them up a little bit. And then we're going to install the shroud on the outside of the radiator guard and finish with the straps and show you how to install the straps. Alright, so what we've done is we've removed the shroud off the bike. We've ran the rubber straps through the bolt hole mounts on the shroud, and if you can see the shroud holes, this is what we're protecting with the rubber straps. If you have a bolt running through there and you catch a sapling or a tree or a rock with your shroud, these holes get torn out from the bolt, and a lot of times you have to replace both sides. So this is saving you a costly investment in a new set of shrouds by running a strap. So we've ran the straps through the front of the shroud. Sometimes it is a little tight fit, so a little bit of silicone spray or the addition of a screwdriver to help push that strap through. All you have to do is take the strap, you're going to pull it on itself and loop it, and you're going to do that top and bottom, and then we're going to install the shroud on the bike and strap to the bolts. Okay, so now we have our radiator shroud installed on the bike. We have our rubber straps looped on themselves. You're simply going to take the strap, run it across the face of the radiator guard, and install it on the shouldered bolt on the frame side. And there you have it. So now what you have is more or less a rubber band system put in place to help protect the radiator shroud, keep everything close and tight. If you do catch something, it's just going to bend and the rubber straps will break before breaking the plastic radiator shroud. What can happen over time is your rubber straps start wearing, kind of getting loose. All you have to do is simply loop themselves, give them a couple twists, and then reinstall on that bolt. It creates a little bit higher tension. For any more info, you can contact us at sales@bulletproofdesigns.com, or you can check it out on our website, bulletproofdesigns.com.